Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to social class, Standard 9th Economics, Unit 4, Agriculture in Tamil Nadu. Irrigation and crops types. Today discuss the topic micro irrigation. Micro irrigation technology is a very good remedial measure to tackle shortage in irrigational water. This irrigation technology helps to have a higher yield when compared to the traditional irrigation methods. As only required amount of water is supplied at regular intervals, it increases the ability of water usage and productivity of the crop, resulting in reduction of labor expenses and weed growth in the field. As the fertilizer is distributed through water, it increases the usage of fertilizer and the yield. As Tamil Nadu gets insufficient rainfall, the government has taken many measures to implement micro irrigation for proper distribution of water to crops that require more water, that is micro irrigation. Do you know? River Kaveri is the third largest river in South India. Its length is 765 kilometers. The dams constructed across Kaveri in Tamil Nadu or Mettur Dam, Kallanai. Next, discuss the topic decadal growth in agricultural production. The total quantity of food grains produced in Tamil Nadu in the year 2014-2015 was 1,27,35,000 tons. Paddy alone accounted to 80 lakhs tons. The contribution of paddy to the total amount of food production is 62%. Maize production was 20%. Corn 70%. Ragi 7%. Ragi 3% and other 3% occupied by black gram, while other food crops contributed a very major amount to the total food production in Tamil Nadu. The amount of production varies depending on the amount of land being cultivated. The yield of production crops. The amount of production depends not only on the area but also on the productivity of crops. Production capacity of paddy in Tamil Nadu was 4,429 kg per hectare in 2014-2015. This capacity was 3,039 kilograms in 2010-2011, revealing the increases in productivity. Next to paddy, maize stands second in the production, 8,824 kg hectare. 2,093 kg hectare corn, 3,077 kg of kambu and 3,348 kg of ragi were produced during the same period. Black gram, one of the largest cultivated pulses, produced 645 kg per hectare. Production of sugarcane and groundnut Manila were 107 tons and 2,753 kg per hectare respectively. The productivity of the crops continues to increase. For example, the productivity of paddy in 1965-66 was 1409 kg. It increased to 2029 kg in 1975-1976 and 2372 kg in 1985-86. It increased to 2712 kg after a decade. The production was 4429 kg in the year 2014-15. In the past 50 years, the productivity of paddy has increased more than 3 times. The food grain production capacity has increased about 3.5 times between 1965-66 and 2014-15. We find both productivity and food production in Tamil Nadu continue to increase. However, the area under food grain cultivation has reduced in the same period. Though there was a reduction in the year of production, the total amount of production has been maintained and there is an increase of the productivity. Let us recall this point. Agriculture in Tamil Nadu. Sectors of people involved in agricultural activities. Types of land usage. Water resource for agriculture, irrigation and crops types. Decadal growth in agricultural production, the yield of productivity crops. Thank you.